Hello, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. My dear beloved brother and sisters. So, this is Nur Alam. Welcome back to my English habit. As you can see, right now morning time, only just 8 o'clock. Okay. Today's weather very cloudy and rainy days. As you can see, um, my beside windows. Okay. So let's get our started. So today's topic is very important because if you are a beginner learner, so uh, this problem must be faced. Okay. So today's topic, and I'm going to talk about why I stay motivated. This is a crucial topic. Okay, so that's why I came here and recorded this video. Okay, let's go our main topic. So, when I started my English learning journey, uh, every day I demotivated. Every day I fear. Every day afraid. Okay, every day I lost motivation, and I every day searching YouTube, not Facebook, only just YouTube. I searching how can I speak fluently, how to make video in front of camera, how to uh, learn English. Okay, so every day I searching YouTube, but I cannot right method. But every day I searching, but one day I found right method. And every some YouTube channel as like Dada Rai School channel and Porosh brother and Doyan Chandra is very uh, my motivation person. And every day I learn their channel. Okay, so whenever I lost my motivation, very soon I go to their channel and I watching their videos. Okay, and very soon my motivation improve. So if you are a beginner learner, you uh, can try my tricks and tips, because uh, first time every beginner learner, every learning partner like you and me, uh, 5 days or 7 days consistency make, but 7 days after fully stop, because motivation fault, motivation loss. So that's why every day uh, mm, our uh, motivation video was must be watching. Okay, because motivation video always inspire uh, you, like me, always motivation video watch YouTube. So my motivation, uh, some YouTube channel, first Doyal Chandra, second Porsche brother, he's a very good person, and Doyal Chandra very good person, and the other high school channel. uh, okay, and here good uh, good person, he's a good person, and here uh, fully guideline you. Okay, and Muktivind, he is a motivational speaker, and always I listening her podcast, her speak, and very soon my motivation high and improving. So that's why uh, if you are a beginner learner, you can just try my tricks and tips, because these tricks real experience, these tricks me follow always. Okay, I hope inshallah these tricks follow and your motivation day by day improve. But one day, but first day your motivation increase, no, every day your consistency, make an everyday motivation video once, so that's why your motivation day by day improve. Okay, so this topic is very important. If you are a beginner learner, you can just try your best. Inshallah, I believe that one day you will be success. Okay, uh, little learn, one day big um, exchange your life. So don't worry brother, you can just try your best. Inshallah you will be success and you will be a fluent speaker. I believe that, because only just 1 month ago I cannot speak, I cannot uh, make video in front of camera, but all everything I cannot. English is a my life very hard subject, but right now English is a very easy. Just my mindset, English very easy, English not hard, only just my mindset setup. So I hope if you are a beginner learner like me, so don't worry, just everyday practice, every single day practice. Still now I am learning, I am improving my learning. Okay, I am trying. So right now I record this video. So every day you just try your best, and every day consistency, one make video, only one make video every day, record and your YouTube channel upload. No public first time, only just unlisted. Okay, so fully 21 days, almost 60 or 65 video recorded but no public, but 21 days after my videos public. I hope understand my talk. So don't worry, you just try your best, inshallah you will be success. I want to just only one things, please don't wait perfect time, because the perfect time never comes. So keep learning, keep practicing, everyday consistent, and never give up. Okay, so I hope you learn something this video. So thank you so much. Next video, see you soon, and thank you so much everyone. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.